So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on change advanced power settings. And then once this comes up, you want to scroll down and expand USB settings. Then you want to expand USB selective suspend setting. You want to set this to disabled. And then click on OK. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in mmsys.cpl. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to go to the sounds tab. Once we're here, you want to scroll down until we find device connect and device disconnect. Click on device connect. Set the sounds right here to none. And for device disconnect, click on it. Again, set the sound to none. And then click on OK. And then the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.